okushaba ko kwebaza Ruhanga ahabwa amagara go mu igara Elizabeth Akiki Bagaya kwebembirwe umureberezi w'ubureberezi bwa Rwenzori Diocese Bishop Ruben Kisembo. Ogwasimire Bagaya ahabukurugaya kasima Ruhanga.
When people have achieved many things, at times they tend to forget God, and that is quoted from the book of Deuteronomy. Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 11 main version says, "Take heed lest you forget the Lord your God by not keeping his commandments and his ordinances and his statutes which I command you this day." Mr. Rusa has already mentioned that some people who are devout in other parts of the world have forgotten about God. But that should not be mentioned of us. Even if we are devout and highly educated, we should continue honoring God and appreciating him.
Okushaba kushirwaho mama wa Buganda nabagereka Sylvia Najinda, speaker w'urukiko rwa Buganda, omunyiginya mbuga Kasimu Nakigeka Kunguru, abakuru mu government, abanyiginya abandi n'abigaro ku rugo mu bukama bwa Toro hamwe n'ubwa Kabaka bwa Buganda. Omwigare wa Toro Elizabeth Akiki Bagaya uhikize emyaka 88 y'obukuru akaba ari umuhara w'omukama wa Toro George David Kamurasiro Kidwa Kashatu. Ogu akashoma ebiragiro kandi omukazi omwiragujo wabandize kutunga degree y'ebiragiro mu University ya Cambridge mu Rubungereza kandi akaba omushekero wa Uganda omuyangiriye United States of America yagaruka yabaho minister wa Uganda w'enshonga z'aheru y'ihanga hona yije yabaho minister w'ebyoburambuzi mu Uganda kandi akaba yine entaranta nyinjo barire muno kuzana za filmu. David Rusa ogambire ko munyabuzare wa Bagaya amusimira habwo mu muhango oguyakoze kugaruza busyo bukama bwa Toro.
And I need to add that it was her efforts that did a lot to change the view of the American government towards the NRM government when it had just taken over power. Many of them were very cagey about President Museveni. They were even asking day and out, are you pro-East, pro-West? But Princess Bagaya did a lot to erase that kind of impression. And President Museveni too said, well, I'm neither pro-East nor pro-West. I'm pro-myself. I'm pro-Africa.
Omubutumwa bwa Katikiro wa Buganda bushomirwe speaker w'urukiko rwa Buganda Patrick Rwagamugumbure asimira mu igare Bagaya abo buherezo bwa rukoromo bwa Kabaka bwa Toro obwa Kabaka bwa Buganda hamwe na Uganda yo no kutwariza hamwe.
Your determination and hard work serves as a reminder to each one of us to work tirelessly for the betterment of our communities and to make our country a better place for us to live and for the future generations.
Okushaba kwire nuko Bagaya kuhereza abagenyi b'ekihuro ekitebekanisiibwe mama wa Buganda n'abagereka Sylvia Najinda aha Serena Hotel mu Kampala kandi birakwatanise n'abanyiginya bo mu igare. President Museveni ajo yakize minister w'ekikura cy'abantu hamwe n'emitwarize Peace Mutuzo omubutumwa bagambire ngo Bagaya akakora munongo mu kwera mu rutaro rw'ekihekera orwatengerwe NRM na munongo kurundana sente mu bantu baheru ababiri barwanywano babo.
Princess Bagaya played a role in mobilizing international and financial support for our struggle. You could even see it now that when she came, she was raising thumbs up. Her bloodstream must be part, and we are still reflecting the NRM struggle.
Museveni ayongere yagira ngo Bagaya akagezaho kutereza ekishani cya Uganda omumahanga gaheru obu NRA yabire yaheza kuhamba bwebembezi.
She accompanied me during my meeting with the USA Vice President George Bush and President Ronald Reagan in 1987. Therefore, I thank the mighty God for blessing Princess Bagaya with a long and impactful life.
mama n'abagereka hamwe no mwigare bagaya bagabirebera bonka kamanyiso ko mukago kandi abantu batoro basimire n'abagereka ahabo kundo mwigare bagaya
sere byemabega abadalwala ne twebaza nnyo engeri naddala n'abagereka gyamuyambyemu ffenna tuyambye naye n'abagereka akoze kinene nnyo ku bulamu bwe okulaba nti abeerawo.
Omwigare Elizabeth Bagaya ahiriye miliyoni 30 zahirirwa rya Kabarore okutandika umurumo gwo kuhunduza no kugura ebyoma nuko kuragana so kugurira kanisa ya Namirembe hamwe n'ubureberezwa rw'enzore ntebe zo murembe.
Congratulations.